Several books offer valuable insights for aspiring and current school principals. The best books often focus on leadership principles, school culture, and practical strategies for effective administration. Leadership and Administration. 8. The Principal, 3 Keys to Maximizing Impact, by Michael Fullan. This book challenges the traditional view of the principal as a direct instructional leader. Fullan argues that a principal's greatest impact comes from being a learning leader, a system player, and a change agent. He provides a framework for principals to build a collaborative culture and lead school improvement. Though, What Great Principals Do Differently, by Todd Whitaker. This popular book outlines 20 key actions and mindsets that set great principals apart. It emphasizes the importance of focusing on people over programs, being a positive filter for the school, and taking responsibility for the school's climate. Whitaker's advice is practical and easy to implement. Theme: Radical Candor. Be a kick-ass boss without losing your humanity, by Kim Scott. While not specifically for principals, this book on giving effective feedback is highly relevant. It introduces the concept of radical candor, which means being both honest and caring, a crucial skill for principals in coaching teachers and staff. School Culture and Teacher Development. 8. The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team, by Patrick Lencioni. This book is a business fable that provides a powerful model for understanding and overcoming the common dysfunctions that plague teams. For a principal, this translates to building a cohesive and high-functioning staff by addressing issues like a lack of trust, fear of conflict, and an avoidance of accountability. Though, Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, by Carol S. Dweck. Dweck's research on fixed versus growth mindsets is essential for any educational leader. A principal with a growth mindset believes that abilities can be developed, and they can foster this belief in their teachers and students, leading to a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Broader Educational Leadership. 8. Dare to Lead, by Brené Brown. This book explores the importance of courageous leadership, vulnerability, and resilience. For a principal, this means creating a school environment where people feel safe to take risks, learn from failures, and engage in difficult conversations. It provides a framework for building a brave and empathetic school community. Though, Drive, The Surprising Truth About What Motivates Us, by Daniel H. Pink. Understanding what truly motivates people is key to great leadership. Pink's book explains that intrinsic motivators like autonomy, mastery, and purpose are more powerful than traditional rewards. Principals can use these insights to empower teachers and create a more engaged and innovative staff.